Today we have gathered here to worship Sri Ganesha. Sri Ganesha is the deity of innocence. When we are born as children, it is Sri Ganesha who is acting, and we are very innocent. And it is such a powerful thing that with this innocence, children survive under many circumstances. And we love them because they are innocent. We enjoy them because they are innocent. Once we start growing, our sastra also gets closed. And we develop all kinds of funny things that enters into us and doesn't go out. It's just there. It doesn't go out. Innocence has a great effect on our character and on our sense of chastity. Actually, when you are innocent, you don't know what is not chastity. What is being unchaste? What is being cunning? You are innocent and you are looked after by Sri Ganesha himself. Anybody who tries to harm an innocent person, Sri Ganesha looks after him and manages him. Many people who are innocent in this world, of course there are very few, but they become so detached from all worldly problems like lust and greed and many others, because they are so pure that nothing can spoil them and malign them. This is such a great blessings we have, that innocence is actually created in us. And it was created much before all the innocence. Everything was created much, much before we were created. It's such a great quality for us to become innocent. The greatest quality of Sri Ganesha is joy. It gives you joy. As small children, they may not speak even, but they give us so much joy. Joy-giving quality comes from Sri Ganesha. Even after coming to Sahaja Yoga, I have seen people are not full of joy. They're very serious. They don't know how to laugh, have to enjoy anything. That's the sign that they are still lacking in innocence. So, it's important to understand that if you are Sahaja Yogis, you should be joyous and give joy to others, just like children, how sweet they are. They may be newly born, but how much joy they give you. But supposing you do not have that capacity to enjoy the innocence of children, then nobody can help you. Ganesha cannot help you because that's the innate quality human beings have. And if you don't have that quality, no use having any other sense. Like some people like food, they like colors, they like all other things. But if you don't have Sri Ganesh, you cannot purely enjoy anything. So it is only Sri Ganesha's blessings that we really enjoy everything in its full measure. Otherwise, we start judging it, we start criticizing it. People raise so many things, questions. If you see something and it gives you joy, then you are supposed to give the explanation for that. As we have many critics in this world, and they are all the time criticizing one another. Now the critics are criticizing critics. That's the biggest problem. That's their job. Because Ganesha is not there. When they go on criticizing others, never criticizing themselves, and thinking no end of themselves, and with that they create a very bad kind of a community, which is actually very harmful. It's very dangerous. It's like having some sort of a boil or some sort of a septic thing in your body, in your being. So, if you cannot appreciate and if you cannot enjoy it, then Sri Ganesha is missing from you. You should be able to enjoy everything and to enjoy your children, enjoy children of other people. That's the sign of your being completely blessed by Sri Ganesha. Now the beauty of Sri Ganesha is this, that it looks after your Kundalini. It guards your Kundalini. It guides your Kundalini, and throughout, on all the chakras, he had to bless you. If you don't have the blessings of Sri Ganesh, you will be completely useless fellow as a surgeon. Because all the time you are seeing the bad points of others. All the time you are devoiding, I should say, you are getting into a problem by which you cannot enjoy anything. By temperament you think you are very serious, you are very mature, you are very developed, but you are not innocent. Such a person gives such a headache to everyone. If there's one like that in the family, people want to get rid of. So you should have the quality of Sri Ganesha, which is of giving joy to others. Depends on how much joy you can give it to others. It doesn't want anything. Such a person won't say that I must get this, I must have this position, I should be leader, I should be this and that. No. He just enjoys giving joy. Joy to others and being humorous and kind, and never tries to insult anyone and hurt anyone. If such a person hurts, by mistake also, he goes on repenting about it. And 100 times he'll beg your pardon if he has hurt you. Such a happy person is a real Sajjana. That's the one we want to have all around. Those who have no hatred for anyone, no malice for anyone, and not finding faults with another, but trying to find what is the good point of that person. What is so special about that person? Is not bothered as to what color you are, whether you are black or white, whether you are tall or short. It makes no difference because it is absolute, absolute joy. And for this absolute joy, you don't criticize and you don't try to find faults with others.